The text functionality makes it easy and simple to create beautiful text for your project. We have over 800 different fonts to choose from, and also a variety of different styles that are preset. So in our project we're still working on, we got to put a time and date on this thing, or just a date will do. We don't like these fonts here. Let's go find some more. So we're going to click on load more, and it brings us to this page where we can search for and find over 800 different fonts. Actually, it looks like it's over 1,000 now. So in our case here, I'm just going to go skip to a random page so we can see what sort of fonts. There we go. So let's use this Montaga one. So I'm going to click the plus button. I like this font. It looks good. I click the plus. I'm going to click the X to close out because it was added to my workspace. And you'll see it's right here now. So what I want to do is I'm going to click on that, and it puts it into my project. I'm going to just bring it right here for now. We're going to just put a date of, we'll just say November 20, 2021. All right, and let's go ahead and shrink this down. Okay. Let's actually change this up to just the dates. 11. Do something like that. 2021. Cool. So we'll put that right here. Okay. Now we got to change the color. We can do that by clicking on the paint bucket here, and I'm gonna actually use like a gray, I think, for this. I guess use a blue. That blue's nice. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Now you can further edit your text by clicking on these sections here. You want to add a text effect like making it curved, you can do that. Let's try this bridge one, see what that looks like. All right, that's cool. We can do that. You can even adjust the amount of curve that it has. That's too much. Let's go right about there. Offset. That's just the angle of the curve. Keep that right there. And height makes it taller or smaller. I'm going to leave that about the same. So just leave it like that for now. That looks good. I'm going to click update. Actually, that doesn't matter. It's already updated, so you can just close at this point. Furthermore, you can change it all. We don't have any wording here, but you can change all your text to uppercase, lowercase. You can make it bold or non-bold. We'll leave it bold. Italicized or not. Let's get rid of that. Underline. Let's get rid of that. And the last thing is, if you had a lot of text, you can use the text align to align to left, center, or right. And that is how you use the text.